Hello friends, today I came to you to show that how to adjust some photos and convert it to videos with your favorite music. Let's start. At first you have to go Play Store and you have to download some same categories of apps. If you write here video photo maker, then it will some apps, one of apps photo video maker with music, and I install. This is approximately 18 MB and this is downloading. Please wait till installing. Mm, Friends, if you like my video, press like button, and if you did not subscribe us, press subscribe button. Okay, you you are looking, this is open button and I pressed. Okay, apps is starting. There is ads. Okay, I am starting with yes, this is allow. Okay, I want to do it with these types of photos randomly. I captured these types of photos and this will be apply. Okay, next you have to choose the ratio. I want to choose the ratio 19:16. Create video. Okay, uh, there is some music, photos. You can transition. What types of transition do you want? This will adjust your photo. Okay, then photo. If you have any edit, then there is a edit option. There is music, and from this you can adjust your music. This is my music. Okay, close. I want to put this music. Okay, if you want this, you can put your hand, press this. If you want this, then press this. Okay, then press uh, yes button, and you can adjust effect. If you want effect, then you can download there this frame and duration. If you want to duration 12 seconds, this will show you with 12 seconds. Okay friends, and then you have to download it. Just download. This image is processing, these videos are preparing. You are looking, this might take some minutes. After some times it will show you the video that you created. Okay friends, I just waiting for it. Please wait with us. This video is processing and this is 90%. Okay, continue. Okay, this is our video. It will show to us. Continue. Please wait. This video is processing. We are showing. Yes, success. Okay. One ad. Okay. Okay. Cross. Okay. There is a video pad. You have the path. This is the path. If you want to go to the video, you will get it. Here is this video. You just can look. Yes. Okay, friends. There I will show how to download a video to audio from Facebook, YouTube. Okay. YouTube cross one song मेरे रश के कमर. Okay, I just copy, share, copy link. Okay, I just copied this link, and in Chrome or any more browser you have to download videos mp3. Download mp3 from YouTube. Online. A lot of site will come. You can see there is whitemp3.cc, x2download.com, onlinevideoconverter.pro, keep vid, y2met, media.io, in video.io, offmp3.com, tuberipper.com, acethinker.com, and you have to press anything. I press x2download.com, and there you can get if the video. You have to just paste the link and get the mp3. Then you can get link, and if you get link, then it will download to you. Get link, download. There is ads. Okay, there is downloading the file details. This is downloading मेरे रश के कमर audio. This, if you want to see this audio or here to see this audio, then you have to press your music player. I have music player, share it music, just plain music, files by Google, and YouTube music. If I want to hear this music, I prefer to press music, and then you are seeing the music started. As the copyright issue, I can't sound. Okay, friends, if you like my video, then press subscribe button, like button, and press the bell icon of the subscribe button, and comment me if anything wrong to you to understand of this video. And if you have any comment to share me, please let me know. I will feel very happy to get your comment. Thank you everyone. See you next day.